Hey, John from whatifi here. Today we're going to talk about customers and growing your customer base and how to model that using whatifi. Growing customers is one of our biggest what-ifs. Cost per click campaigns, organic traffic, SEO, salespeople. What does that look like and how do we model that? In this video, I'm going to show you our campaign event. It's one of our newest and it allows you to model what a campaign looks like when you're trying to grow customers. So let's look at a really basic scenario here right now. In here, I'm using events to connect together business logic to create that model. We're going to be establishing our website visitors. We're going to be establishing our customer cohorts, our conversion rate from website visitors to trial, and we can extrapolate that and look at trial to paid and trial to pro conversions here. So in our first event, we're establishing our website visitor cohort. Maybe right now we're getting 1,000 visitors per month coming to our website organically, so we have that traffic coming in. We establish our cohorts. So for example, here I have our trial cohort, I have our paid cohort, and our pro cohort. And then we have a conversion rate. So maybe right now, for every visitor that comes to our website, we're converting 10% of that group into becoming a trial user. So we can take a look at that very quickly right now in our model and see our website visitors that are coming in. There's that 1,000, and our conversion to trial, we have 100. We want to amp that up. We want to add more customers into our funnel. So let's add in a campaign event. Okay. A campaign event allows us to pick the target that we want to hit, which is the website visitors. We can set a frequency. We can say maybe we're going to spend $5,000 a month, but not for the entire duration. Let's just pick a window of time. So we're going to run this campaign from May of 2023, and maybe we're going to run it until the end of November in 2023. We know historically that it's about $2.50 for each cost per paid visit, and we are going to track these expenses and we're going to put them under operating expenses. So we're expecting to add about 2,000 new customers per month into our website visitors that's going to run through the funnel. Let's add that in and see what that looks like. So now you can see our website visitors and then our conversions are now 100. Then we jump up to 300 and back down to 100. We can look at that both monthly and cumulatively. Great, that's fantastic. What if things don't go so simple? Joy to whatifi is you can very quickly build alternate scenarios and compare those against each other. So let's take this campaign event and we're going to duplicate it. I'm going to paste it in here. And we're going to create some secondary parameters. So maybe in this one we decide that we can only test spending $2,500. Maybe we're expecting this to be higher, so let's say this is going to be $4. And we're going to run the campaign for a bit of a shorter period of time, so we're going to start in June instead. Okay? Simple like that. Instead, that's going to put 625 customers into our website visitor cohort. Add that in. I need to connect this back into the rest of the flow. Both of those are calculating. And now we're able to see both of these funnels at the same time. We can compare them against each other and see both the monthly flow running into our website visitors and the monthly flow running into our customer trial. So that's just the starter here, and obviously you could expand upon that. We can build the secondary steps in our conversion funnel, trial to paid, trial to pro. We can add in churn, customer acquisition costs to truly model that out. So this is our campaign event right now. It is now live and testing, and if you're at all interested in being part of our early access cohort, reach out. I'd love to talk to you. Thanks.